All right, now for today's project, what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on these TORY BURCH shoes. They are all leather. You can see right here, all leather, size 8 medium, but they're pretty scuffed, right? They're pretty scuffed right there. But other than the scuffs, I mean, these are pretty decent, and they're worth about $70 on the resale market. But to make sure I get that 70, I don't have to drop the price down to like $29.99 or anything like that. All right, there's the TORY BURCH logo right there, but I'm probably gonna take pictures of that before I do this. But let's just get straight to the restore. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this stuff called Scuffed cover. I got this at Kmart. It's made by the company Peak. As you see, you can use it on women's shoes. So that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna shake it up. You see there's a little sponge right there, and you basically just press it down, you apply it, so you just kind of move in a circle. We're gonna do that right now. All right, so we're just gonna get to it. We're just gonna do it on this one. It's not enough light. So this is basically how you do it. Kind of press down, and you kind of just start. It's gonna be hard to do one-handed. We're just gonna go in a circular motion like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna bring the camera back, and I'm gonna show you the difference between the two shoes. And really, it's just that simple. You can see on the left, the scuff cover has been applied, and on the right, it has not been applied. As you see, it's a tremendous difference, and I only covered the area that was scuffed up. That's it. And we are done. As you can tell, the scuffs are still there, but because we used the scuff remover or the scuff cover, it didn't really remove anything, but covered it up. The black polish creates an optical illusion, and you really can't tell. That's good enough to sell. A buyer will be extremely happy. They don't have to run out here and pay top tier prices, and they're still getting a quality shoes. You see the rest of the shoe looks great. The only thing that was wrong was that it was a little bit scuffed up. We fixed it. We saved somebody a lot of trouble and a lot of money. So what you do after this, you just let it dry for like 30 minutes to an hour. Take your photos and you're good to go. Another job well done.